Hello ladies and gentlemen, those in between, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Everett, and for today's video, we're going to be reacting to Roel, Bossing, and Jose on today's episode of Bulacan University 2026.
Ha? Natayo ba, ma'am?
Bakit gusto niyo tumayo?
Sarap nakaupo mo.
Ang naman yung estudyante.
Request ka ng request kasi.
Hindi, online naman yun. Eto ang tanong.
Request ka ng
Sila ay lumaki
request.
sa telebisyon? TVJ ba to? At rotary telephone. At rotary telephone. Anong generation ito na ipinanganak noong 1946 to 1964? Member ng generation na to sina Steve Jobs, Barack Obama,
Boomer.
at Tom Hanks na
Ano?
kaka-70 lang nitong Thursday. Pakirating
ba?
ito.
Boomer.
Kasi ito lang?
Kung 70 na siya.
Shout out. 65 lang. Magkwentuhan mo na tayo.
Sige. Anong generation to?
Alam mo yan?
Boomer ba?
Baby boomers. Oh,
Ah, boomer.
Boomers.
Ah.
May knock-knock pa nga yan.
Baby boomers. Oo, baby boomers yun. Ano kasi ako, 1980. So, Gen X ako. Kayo guys, ano yung generation nyo? Let me know in the comment section below. Ako, Gen X. Hindi ko na alam kung kailan yung Gen Y. Tapos, ano ba? Millennials. Tapos, Gen Z. Tama. Anong generation na ngayon? Kanya talaga pag wala kang pake. Hindi mo alam kung ano generation na ngayon.
Roel,
Meron!
go ahead.
Okay.
Music ko po.
Mag-knock-knock ka
Music?
muna.
Ay, knock-knock.
Who's there?
Huwag niyo pagalitan, nakakatanda sa inyo, pinisigawan niyo.
Who's there?
Baby boomers.
Baby boomers who?
Lo, sa gitna, lo.
Wait. Kakanta ba siya dito? Like, on a serious, para seryosong kanta? Kasi, na-miss ko na siyang, I really miss listening to him sing any songs seriously. Yung hindi patawa. Of course, Bulacan University to, so, we cannot expect na kakanta talaga siya na seryoso. Okay.
May
Britney
sayaw
Spears? Oh,
May sayaw
boomer,
yan.
boomer. Feeling ko ganun yan. Oh, baby. And dun. Britney Spears ko eh.
My loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe.
Nahirapan niya siguro. Siyempre, guys, let me explain this a little bit. If you are, especially Roel Carino, he is a crooner style singer. Hindi madaling kantahin yung song like of the opposite sex. You're a male singer, tapos kakantahin mo yung mga female singer. Natural lang mas vocal strain ka. That's completely normal. Normal talaga yun. But of course, there are some other singers, male singers in particular, na very gifted talaga. Like regardless of whether it is a male song or kung female song man yan, kayang-kaya nila. Let me give you one perfect example talaga. Gabriel Henrique from Brazil. Siya yung pinaka-perfect na example na kahit pambabae, walang-wala yan. Check him out on YouTube. Taga-Brazilian. Even Jed Madela, yung kataas ng range niya, minsan sumasablay siya pag ang tawag dito, pag pambabae yung song. Because it's normal. Normal lang yan. So, pero cute nang ginawa ni Rowella. Ginanon niya. So, lusot. Lusot yun.
Is killing me. I must confess, I still believe.
Lusot. Yun ang talent.
I'll lose my mind. Give me a sign.
Saan yung baby boomers?
Baby boomer time.
Yun na yun.
Parang nahihiya ka sa ginawa mo. Paano ba yun? Yung baby. Dapat ito nagsimula.
Oh, baby.
Ay, effort.
More yan eh. Okay, ikaw may nakna ka rin?
Wala po.
Gusto ko yun. Parang nahiya ka sa ginawa mo. Iba talaga si Mamalan kay magpatawa, no?
Ba't ka andito?
Tinawag niyo ako eh.
Kailangan may gagawin ka.
O sige, pag gusto mo, lapang ko yung damit mo.
Meron ka rin knock-knock. Meron kayo.
May sasabi lang ako.
O, sige.
Meron.
Sasama na lang ako.
Knock-knock po na kayo. Knock-knock. Hindi.
Baliktad!
Teka muna. Parang sisipunin ako bigla. Excuse me. Kanina pa ako tawa na tawa. This is what I need at the moment, guys, because I gotta be completely honest. I'm not emotionally okay. I'm going through something personal. Medyo mabigat yung mga pinagdadaanan ko ngayon as a person, no? Every one of us, meron tayong mga gino-go through. Pero thanks to videos like this, kasi pansamantala, nawawala yung stress natin. This is what we need. And in my case, whenever I'm stressed out over matters, over things, nanonood talaga ako ng mga nakakatawang video. And it helps a lot. And scientifically speaking, when we laugh, our brain releases endorphins, which is nature's happy drug. Ito yung brain chemicals na nagpapagaan ng ating loob. So laugh if you have problems, guys. That's the best way to deal with our problems.
Knock. Hindi.
Binaliktad.
Naknak ka ng naknak eh.
Oh.
Naknakin ko yung mukha mo. Wag ganun.
Huwag ganun, ma-NTRCB tayo. Huwag ganun, ma-NTRCB tayo.
Alam mo na kanina, ma'am, yung paggalang namin sa'yo, alam ko nararamdaman yung buhay. Naknak! Oo!
Who's there?
Baby boomer!
Bebe muna. Feeling ko ano naman to. La 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 la. Feeling ko lang. La la la. Baby boomer. Feeling ko lang. O ibang song?
Yeah.
Ano ba? Ako ba ikaw?
Ibang song? Ibang song.
Ting drums ba?
Wow, konting drums. Wow. Ibang song naman. Wow. This is a miracle. Milagro to. Ibang song. Si Boss Joey, kalmado lang, pero tumatawa na. Wala yung ano? Ay. Wait a moment, wala yung ano, wala yung la 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 la. Yun talaga yung favorite ko eh. La 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 la.
2, 3, 4.
Ito yun eh. Oh, hindi ako nagkamali. Hindi ako nagkamali. Ganyan naman palagi. Baby boomers. Bongga pa yung version nito, no? Parang full band version. Banda kung banda.
How do masters like...
Alright guys, ano sa tingin nyo what do you guys think of this video? Today's episode of Bulagaan University featuring, of course, Bossing, si Jose, and si Ruel. I'll be waiting for your comments, guys. So anyway, I guess that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when my next video comes out. Peace out.